Welcome back to my channel. Today I say difference between active and passive transport the labni today. Tuga. First no passive transport labge passive transport. The passive transport lamidi movement of particles from higher concentration to the lower concentration. Ima the passive transport. The ani the cell membrane. Ani the cell membrane. The cell membrane is composed by phospholipids. Imadi phospholipids bilayer. Two layer about the phospholipids. Two layer about the phospholipids. The inside the cell and the A imbe example and the cytoplasm imbe A the cytoplasm. The B the extracellular imbe chiga imbe and the A the cytoplasm imbe and the chiga imbe. The the kasidu chiga the particles mam do analu. Particles comes to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 do. Nanalu comes to 1, 2, 3. That means extracellular cell gi chika the number of particles the mam do bati dato. Dale cytoplasm nanalu the less two particles. So kasibu nalu the particles will move from higher concentration to the lower concentration. Imate anime. Anale higher concentration nale lower nalu move peon particles the. Tuga andi known as passive transport. Tada to the high nale low nale move pe de energy mingo be de high nale low nale move pe de energy mingo bati. The passive transport means movement of particles from higher concentration to the lower concentration without using ATP, that is energy. Ani. The second one is active transport. The passive transport the higher concentration to lower concentration the particle move pe umbati. The active transport nalu the kasime opposite bhage movement of particles from lower concentration to the higher concentration. Movement of particles from lower to higher concentration using energy. Ani ATP the energy imbade energy. Tani the cell membrane and the bilayer imadi and the phospholipids bilayer cell membrane. Through cell membrane, ani the example chika imbe A the extracellular imbe and the chika imbe cell ki chika imbe ani the B the cytoplasm imbe nanalu. To the cytoplasm ki nanalu particles mam do ana particles mam do badi. The extracellular chika the cell ki chika the less do koi less do badi. The particles will move from low to high nalo move pe mate low to high move pe using energy and ATP. Movement of particles from lower concentration to the higher concentration using energy. Ahani the difference. Oi another the energy use pe passive na the energy use maybe. Tele passive the high nali low nalu active the low nali high nalu. Tuga. Yeah, the best example of passive transport the active transporting. The slope do slope example assume be mountain imbe. Assume that this is a mountain. The mountain ki top nale rock the anal bani maybe malu rock manal rock the bani imbe mountain top nale. The mountain top nale ani example pema imbe pema ki the rock the mata push beilo. The rajin ki be ani rock the roll be vera thiume na mata pema ki energy mingo be na pema luti ani the rock the automatic hongi roll baby mata thumadi. That means passive transport the any example ani rock the particles imbe the particles ani the gadale move pe high nale be dhyana mountain to the high me bade the particles the gadale move pe rock the gadale move pe high nale high to low nale move pe de bade the energy use pe nuga mendo bade ani the passive transport tuga the active transport the gasime ani the pema imbe the khogi the gasime ani rock the male ya ta push pe de me ta khogi the ana plane nale ya top nalu bade rock the koi ta kholu energy go be me na mane push pe go be te ani rock the energy go be me na kholu ta that means the ani rock the particles me the movement of particles from lower concentration to the higher concentration using energy bade khogi energy use pe de bade ani active transport de low to high using energy ani tuga yeah that to please subscribe to my channel for more videos and